Hey everyone, welcome back to FastFix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So here is the step-by-step method for beginners. So first thing that you're going to do is go to your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use, and then go to the search bar. Then you need to search for Amazon Associates. And then you need to click on search. Then you will find some links right here, amazon.com, and you just want to click this amazon.com associates central. So go to this link, then you will find this page right here, recommend products, earn commissions. So you will find that sign up button right there. So you can click this one. And when you click this sign up button, you will find this on your screen, sign in. So you just find this button right here, create your Amazon account. So you just click this one. Now right here, you just need to complete all the details, your name, email, password, and re-enter your password. And then right here, you can now enter OTP that's sent on your email address to verify your new email address. And now you are on account information. You just put right here your payer's name, your address, zip code, and who is the main contact right here. Just complete the information. Next, you can now enter your website and mobile apps. So for example, you want to add your social media links right here, just put right here and just add them up. Then as you can see right here, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 15? So you just click on no, then click on confirm. And then right here, just put your profile, your preferred ID, and tell us about the content you create. Which of the following describes your content right here? So for example, I want to choose content or niche website. Then you just put right here, how did you hear about us? You can now select and try to choose this online search. Now, once you've done, you are now on the last stage of process. You just need to read all of these agreements. And finally, you can now start using Associate Central. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.